Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how to install macOS from your USB flash drive. So you just need to download and install this version of macOS on your flash drive. So after, just connect your flash drive to your iMac or to MacBook, wherever you want to install it. And now here you just need to choose it and just tap on enter. So now you just need to wait until it will load. And so after it will load, you will see like this one. Here you just need to choose install macOS, or you can also open disk utility if you want to remove some partition or create new one. So after, just tap on next. So let's just tap on next. I accept. Just choose here where you want to install it. And you choose on install. So now you just need to wait until it will install it on your Mac, and you will be able for using that. So let's wait. I will connect to you after it will finish. So after, your Mac will reinstall and you will see like I see. So this is my USB and we just need to open this one. It's macOS installer. So after it will finish, so it will restart. And now we will be able for opening that. So here you can see it. So here you just need to choose, let's just make it less bright. So here you can also choose country. After just choose keyboard. No, actually we can just skip that for now. I accept. So now we just need to write name, just tap on next. We just need to write password. Next. So now we just tap on next. And so here you can see that we successfully installed it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.